You're operating on M Suite CRM or a high level powered CRM, and you're ready to make a call. Well, you've come to the exact right video. We're going to show you just how to do that. Of course, as always, we are in our YouTube demo account, so you're not going to see a lot on the dashboard, but we're going to go ahead and show you exactly how to make a call. So the first way we can go about doing that is by navigating on the left-hand main tree to contacts, and we are going to see we've got our contacts here. So let's go ahead and call Dunder Mifflin. So we're going to click into that contact for Casey here, and once we've got the contact loaded, we can see that in this case we've got D&D enabled because this is just a sample phone number. So we're going to want to turn that off. We'll go ahead and affect that setting down here. So now we've turned D&D off, which means we've told the system we have permission to contact this user. Then the next piece that's critical here is we want to double check our phone number is accurate. We may want to review any notes, look at any documents that we've got just to refresh ourselves on who we're calling. And then we're going to go ahead and hit the green little phone at the top right here. That is going to initiate our call. Alrighty, so we can go ahead and place our call to Casey Morgan here, and we're going to show on the top right, it will now say dialing. As we dial, you'll get your dial tone. Connect that call. Go ahead and end this to our sample Casey. Now the other way that we can make a call, for this instance, we'll stay on the contact card here. So we're just inside of a contact. But at any time from any point within the system, you can go ahead up to the top right, on the very top, where you're going to see your profile, you're going to see help, notifications, but the very first one is this green phone. Now the green phone here allows you to pull up the phone at any point, so let's go ahead and use our YouTube phone number, and then we can go ahead and direct dial. So we'll call our main office here at 586-519-5740, and when we're ready, we just go ahead, hit the green, that's going to dial us. Now we did just assign that to this contact, which is why you're going to see that here. And then you'll notice, even though we dialed at the top right, our outbound call is going to show here in our contact. So whether you dial from the phone option or if you dial from within the contact, it will automatically link it, and you're going to be able to pull up and see exactly who you've talked to, which allows you then to rapidly pull your notes, access who you're calling, and just like that, you are good to go. That's it. This is a quick one. That's how to make a phone call in high level. And if you are an M Suite CRM powered by Make Your Growth user, I hope this has helped you out. If you're not, continue to dig in. We're happy to help you, whether you're current, a future, or not a customer at all. We're here to help with high level with M Suite CRM. Hope you have an amazing, incredible rest of your day.